guys, and welcome to Liam's Tech Guide. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the Bose QC35 MK2, or as they are actually labelled, the Bose Quiet Comfort 35 MK2. So a little bit of background about these. I currently have the Bose SoundLink 2 wireless headphones. These are not noise cancelling, hence the upgrade. As you can see on the box, noise cancelling. I was originally going to go for the Bose QC35 MK1s, the older edition, mainly because some of the features on the MK2 for the price didn't really appeal to me. But I had a little look online and I found a website called exceptionalav.co.uk. They're based in the UK and they had these on offer for about £9 more than what the Bose QC35 MK1s are. So I thought I have to go for the MK2s, hence why I did. Another thing that I should mention is I'm fully aware of the debate between Bose and Sony headphones. The reason I went for the Bose headphones over the Sony version was simply because the Bose ones have buttons. It's something that doesn't really appeal to me. On the Sonys, you've got a little touchscreen on the side of the unit, and it just doesn't appeal to me. I much prefer a physical button on the device. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. So let's have a little quick look around the box. As you can see on the front, picture of the headphones. I've gone for the black version. They do these in silver. I just personally prefer the black, hence why I've gone for black. It explains what they are. So Bose Quiet Comfort 35 MK2 noise cancelling. The side, not that exciting. The other side, again, not exciting. On the back, just an overview of the headphones. So again, it points out that they're noise cancelling, premium sound, wire-free, world-class noise cancelling and noise rejecting mic array for clear calls. These headphones do come with an app to unlock more features. One of the big features for me is the noise cancelling level on how much noise it lets in. So instead of having to either have it on or have it off, you can set it to low, medium or high. So if you don't want any noise at all coming through, obviously set it to high. But if you want to hear a little bit of background noise for if you're in the office and someone's calling your name or something like that, then you can have it on medium to low. So these are made for iPod, iPhone, iPad. They're also made for all Android phones, hence the Android signal. And Google Assistant built in. For me, I'm an iPhone user, so Google Assistant might not be great for me. I know that I can download the app and have it on there, but to be honest, I don't really use any voice-activated things apart from Alexa in my own house. So I might use it, but I can't see me really using it. And you can see in the bottom right-hand corner, it gives an overview of what's in the box, but let's have a look. So, little pull tab at the top. Greeted with the standard Bose logo. Flip that up and it tells you about the app. So first things first, you need to download the app for setup and you need to slide the button on the side to turn on the headphones and so that the app can find the headphones. So you get a nice sheet to cover them, and here we go, Bose headphones. So you get a case included. There we go, you're greeted with the headphones straight away. As you can see here, there's the little toggle switch that you need to flick on when you're doing the setup. There's a bit of protective packaging, which I'll just remove now. And in the box, you get a 3.5mm jack cable. For me, again, iPhone user, and I believe on some Androids now, the phone jack is no longer there, so it might be useful for you, but in my case it won't be, but I will keep hold of it just in case. And then in here, I believe, is a charging cable. So with all Bose headphones that I've had previously, you don't get a plug, you only get the USB lead. It's micro USB to normal USB. You can use your iPhone plug, your Android plug, your computer, anything that you connect to USB to, and these will charge. A 15-minute charge, I believe, gives 2.5 hours of listening time. A full charge gives you 20 hours of listening time on wireless, or if you want to put them in on wired, you get 40 hours. So more than capable for long haul flights and all that sort of thing. So let's get them out of the box. As you can see, they're foldable, so you just gotta unfold them. Get a nice mesh at the top, like you did with my previous headphones, these Sound Links. It's like a memory foam type material, and the same on the cups. So you've got your left and your right, and then that's it. So you put your 3.5mm jack into that port. You charge them via the mini USB on that side. On the back, you've got your volume up, volume down, play. As I said, you can also take phone calls on these. So to take phone calls, you just press that middle button. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you get a Bluetooth indicator and also a charging indicator, so you can see when they're charging. And what's different to these compared to the Mark 1s is this button here. This is the Google Assistant button. You just press and hold it, and it will access Google Assistant. You can ask it numerous things, get it to do different things, but we'll explore that later on. And that is pretty much all you get in the box. Let me just lay it out here. So thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and give me any feedback possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.